Grammar tips. How to use wish. Wish, plus to, plus infinitive. We can use wish with the infinitive, to mean would like. This is very formal. I wish to make a complaint. Wish, plus somebody, plus something. Used to hope or express hope for another person's success, or happiness or pleasure, on a particular occasion. I wish you a very happy birthday. Wish plus that, plus past simple. Used with the past simple, to express that you feel sorry or sad, about a state or situation, that exists at the moment. I live in Bucharest. I wish that I lived in London. Wish, plus that, plus past perfect. Used with the past perfect, to express that you feel sorry or sad, about a particular action in the past. I wish that I hadn't drunk so much alcohol at yesterday's party. Wish plus that, plus would. Used with would, to express a complaint, criticism or anger at someone's behavior. It's not usually used about ourselves, and exceptionally, we do use it about the weather. I wish that you would stop playing games. Note, I wish can be replaced with if only, which carries more emphasis. Yesterday it was your birthday, and I didn't know it. I wish I had known it. If only I had known it. Test your understanding. I ate too much and now I regret it. I wish I hadn't eaten so much.